Miami Tower, American 1912, requesting immediate clearance to enter a holding pattern. We are encountering an issue with the damper. Miami Tower, American 1912. We're declaring pan-pan. Issue persists, and we'll be returning to Miami for an overweight landing. Request priority. Roger, cleared direct. Request emergency services on standby as a precaution. Cleared to land runway 27. Thank you for the assistance, Miami.
Roger, entering the holding pattern. We'll troubleshoot the system and get back to you. Miami, American 1912. On approach to runway 27. Speed and altitude stable for an overweight landing.
American 1912, cleared to enter holding at your current altitude. Maintain present heading and advise further. American 1912, PNPN acknowledged. You are cleared direct to Miami International, runway 27. Expect vectors for the approach. American 1912, you are cleared to land runway 27. Winds calm, runway clear.